Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale website performance with Cloudflare, complete guide step by step clearly. To scale website performance with Cloudflare, start by creating a Cloudflare account. Visit the Cloudflare website and sign up using your email address and a secure password. Once registered, add your website by entering your domain name and clicking the Add Site button. Select a plan that suits your needs. The free plan is a great starting point. Cloudflare will scan your existing DNS records. Review the DNS records to ensure they are correct. If everything looks good, proceed to change your domain's name servers to Cloudflare's name servers. Log into your domain registrar's website and replace your existing name servers with the ones provided by Cloudflare. This process can take a few minutes to propagate across the internet. Once your domain is pointing to Cloudflare, return to the Cloudflare dashboard. Enable the CDN feature to cache your website's static assets. Navigate to the caching section and set the caching level to standard. Enable Auto Minify for JavaScript, CSS, and HTML to reduce file sizes. Next, go to the Speed section and enable Rocket Loader for faster loading of JavaScript. Consider enabling HTTP/2 or HTTP/3 to improve loading speeds for users on modern browsers. In the Firewall section, set up security rules to protect your website from malicious traffic. Optimize your SSL settings by selecting Full or Full, Strict, for a secure connection. Visit the Page Rules section to create rules for selective caching and performance features for specific URLs. To enable Brotli compression, go to the Network Settings section and toggle the Brotli setting on. Regularly monitor performance analytics available in the Cloudflare dashboard. Analyze which optimizations yield the best results for your website's performance. Use Cloudflare workers if you need to run custom logic at the edge for enhanced performance. Review and adjust settings based on traffic patterns and website performance metrics regularly. This will ensure your website remains fast and reliable as your visitor count grows. Each of these steps will help you leverage Cloudflare's powerful features to significantly scale your website performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.